you've recently gone through security checks on your Apple ID and need to restore full access, follow these steps to regain control of your account. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID website. Go to the official Apple ID website by entering apple.com in your web browser. This is where you can manage your account settings and initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Sign into your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password to log in. If you cannot remember your password, click on Forgot Apple ID or Password and follow the prompts to reset it. Step 3. Complete security questions. Once logged in, you may be prompted to answer security questions or verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Step 4. Review account settings. After successfully verifying your identity, review your account settings. Check for any alerts or notifications that may indicate additional steps needed to restore full access. Step 5. Contact Apple support if necessary. If you are still unable to regain full access after following the above steps, contact Apple support for further assistance. They can provide personalized help to resolve any lingering issues. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Apple ID. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for help.